Alright, other than functions that are declared using function keyword, in JavaScript there are arrow functions. And now let me talk about them. Let me remove all of that from here, and let's do following. Let's type pair of parentheses like that. Next will be arrow that consists of equal sign and greater than sign like that. And here let's print to the console ABC. By the way, you notice that in the previous lectures I used double quotes, now I use single quotes. It doesn't matter, just be consistent and use either single quotes or double quotes. So, here you see syntax of the arrow function. Here is parameter section. Here is special syntax that indicates that it is an arrow function. And here is expression inside of the arrow function. Notice that I didn't add here function body that is represented by a pair of curly braces. Let's now save changes here, and I don't see any errors in the console, because this is fully valid syntax for JavaScript. But now question, how this function could be called? It doesn't have any name. We could call this function immediately. For that you need to put it into a pair of parentheses like that, and afterwards call this function using another pair of parentheses like that. Let's now save changes, and in the console I see now ABC. That's how you could immediately call function that was defined using arrow function syntax. But such function call doesn't have much sense because we are not able to call such function again and again, as we did with named function. That's why if you want to call arrow function multiple times, you could assign it to the variable. Let's go to such line without parentheses, and now let's define new variable, using const for instance, and let's name it fn, and as value let's assign to it this arrow function. And now I am able to call this fn function. Let's do that here, fn function call, and now I expect to see same result, abc, and that's what I see after save of this file. Let me actually make this string a bit shorter like that. And now I see A. And certainly now you could call this function multiple times, because now variable fn holds actually function as a value.